I know Christmas is over and we're already in the new year, but you can still enjoy Christmas Lights Trail in my city. Those who know me know how much I love Christmas lights and decorations. My outdoor space has fairy lights all year round. That's how serious I am about it. In short, I love the Christmas season. This year though, I felt the city lights were a little underwhelming compared to the last 2 years, probably a reflection of the rising cost of living. Still, Perth is known as a city of lights, and during the Christmas Lights Trail, it really lives up to the name. From glowing installations to light reflections dancing across buildings, the city takes on a quiet kind of magic. Even after the crowds fade and the season officially ends, there's something special about walking through the city lights. Slower, calmer, more personal. It might not have been the biggest or brightest year, but the beauty was still there if you took the time to look. And honestly, I'll never stop chasing Christmas lights.
My name's Isaac Sterry and I own this beautiful car here.
How much did it cost for you to fix that?
Cost close to $500
Uh-huh.
and 9 to 10 hours to install.
Why did you do it?
I did it for Christmas spirit, and I'm also raising money for a charity.
Which charity?
It's like Bar City or something. So me and my mates, there's about 40 of these cars, and we all get money, raise money, and pretty much we just donate to the kids charity. It's
Okay.
like a toy kids charity. Kind of.
That's a good cause.